Ooh, you guys, take a look. Got a big buck right down there. Look at him. That is a beautiful looking deer. There she is. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this dog. Look at all of the burrs. Girl, what in the heck? You see behind me, all of the plants that are still standing here have these, we call them burrs. They're just like sticker things that just stick to you. Every time Ellie comes down here, she ends up looking like this. And then we have to comb them out of her. Okay, so for those of you who are new here, this is our tiny A-frame cabin. It is 8 by 10, and it's just a really great little cabin. We've got our bed here. It's a twin size bed. We've got a couch down here. It's just like a little 2-seater love seat. Ellie's bed is down below. We've got our wood burning stove here, which provides heat, and we will need that tonight. And a little kitchenette, which we will also use tonight to cook some dinner. So I know a lot of you have seen the tour video that I made about this cabin, and a lot of you guys pointed out that having the pile of wood here against the cabin is not the best idea. It turns out you may be right, because just yesterday I walked in here just to check on the place, and there was a bag of food that was torn apart on the ground here. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move the wood from here and stack it at the base of this tree right here. Oh, okay. Yep, you guys were dead right. I found our mouse. He is right in there. As you can see, he's made his home out of tearing up some of the insulation. I just saw him moving around. Let's see. Sorry to ruin your home, buddy, but we cannot have you going in our cabin. Are you in here, dude? Okay, so far so good in here. Here's what I initially thought was happening, you guys. If you look at our stovepipe here, see these holes? These actually go directly into the cabin. They don't go into the stovepipe. They slip right down into the cabin. I thought maybe the mouse crawled up in here and down, and he very well might still have, but the fact that he has a nest over here suggests to me that he's probably getting in somewhere over here. I just don't know where. Okay, so if you take a look, we're all sealed up here, and back behind here is sealed as well. I'm so confused by this. I'll show you how it's sealed. So if you look underneath here, I have this foam all the way along. I mean, yeah, like those aren't holes that mice could get in. Are they? Like right there? No, that's a mouse can't get in that. I don't know, guys. Give me any thoughts you have on where you think that mouse might be getting in. Maybe moving the wood pile here will do the trick. All right, now before we get in and really get settled, we gotta take some of these burrs off of Ellie. Okay, it's time to get settled. I think first thing I'm gonna do is feed Ellie girl. I think maybe due to our mouse situation, I'm gonna have her eat outside. Eat up. Now while she eats, we will unpack some of our stuff here. First and foremost, a little whiskey. We'll enjoy that later, maybe around the fire. Hauled in some water, just in water bottles this time. I brought a little cooler with our food. We're gonna make some burritos tonight, so I've got all the fixings in here. See this little shelf? It's a good little cooler shelf. Hopefully that won't attract mice while we're just hanging out here, but you know, clearly I've been wrong before. All right, guys, the sun is definitely going down. It's beautiful out here. Figured might be a good time to make a little fire in the pit here. Oh, look who it is. Look who it is, Al.
It's your buddy.
Aww.
Oh.
You're just in time for a fire.
There's something about sitting next to a fire that just really helps you be present and calms you. Yeah, anytime I've been by a fire, it just causes me to think and reflect. Always.
Totally.
I think because you're just staring, you're in the zone.
Oh, man. One of the things that I just love so much about our marriage is how we prioritize each other's passions and support each other in them. It really fills up my soul, and it's something that I'm just so grateful for in our relationship. Before I make dinner, I think we gotta fire up this wood stove because it is 41 degrees in here. Guys, let's give it a taste. Excuse you. I'm being really careful not to drop any food scraps at all with this mouse dilemma going on. I think I'm going to keep any garbage that has food in it outside tonight. As you can see, Ellie is very, very relaxed. Oh my goodness, this dog is the best. One of my favorite things to do when I stay down here is to light all the candles and shut off the lights because it just creates such a awesome ambiance in here. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night. Good morning. It is early. It's about 6 a.m. I'm gonna make some coffee, but first, I think I gotta get a fire going. It's not like unbearable in here, but it's chilly, and you know, why not have some heat? Back into bed. Good morning. Good morning. It's the spot. What? What? All right, guys, I think it is time to start cleaning up and packing out of here. Coffee mug can stay hanging. I highly doubt a mouse is gonna like crawl up in there. I'm also gonna remove our garbage. I used to leave this in here until it was full. That is it. Well, guys, I think that was a very successful overnighter. Did you hear Ellie? She just howled. That was so much fun. It's always so nice to get down here into the woods, staying at the little cabin. I'm just grateful you guys were able to come along. I'm super grateful that we found the mouse nest down there and cleared out the wood over to the other side over there. I really, really think that is going to make a huge difference. But that's gonna do it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care.